Okay, give kisses. David, can you give Megan a kiss? Megan, give him a kiss. Go, Pete.
Give me a kiss.
Give her a kiss, David. Give her a kiss.
This.
Ah.
Yuck.
Megan's gonna give you more kisses, David.
Yay.
Uh-oh, did you get owies? What do you do, David? What'd you do? What happened? Owie? Have Megan give you a kiss. All better.
How better? How better? It won't hurt anymore.
Give more kisses.
Give me a kiss. Oh. Give me a kiss.
Megan's gonna get you.